Have you ever noticed that when someone yawns, you suddenly feel the urge to yawn too? It's a fascinating phenomenon. Yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness. It helps cool down our brains and increases oxygen intake. But why is it contagious? That's thanks to mirror neurons, special brain cells that mimic what we see others do. Even dogs and chimpanzees join in. Interestingly, people who are more empathetic tend to yawn more when they see others do it. So, if you just yawned while watching this, congratulations! You might be extra empathetic. Did you yawn? Let me know in the comments.